Hello, I'm Ransom Ryder. I'm hanging out in the kitchen today. I'm actually going to be making a chicken salad sandwich. Now, I love a good sandwich. I know you probably love a good sandwich. Chicken salad is actually one of my favorites. I just really appreciate a good chicken salad. And this one is one years ago, back when I was working. I'm a retiree. But back when I was working, my office was next to one of the major chain restaurants that served a really good chicken salad sandwich. And it was discontinued. I came in one day to order my chicken salad sandwich, which I usually had once or twice a week maybe. Came in to order it, and whammo bammo, I was promptly informed we no longer serve the chicken salad sandwich. And I was like, what? What? You are kidding me. You no longer serve the chicken salad sandwich? So they didn't. Now, this is some chicken breast that I have cooked earlier. Just put a little salt and pepper on it. Today, we're gonna make this chicken salad sandwich. So in goes this with just a little bit of salt and pepper on the chicken. This is 3 chicken breast. In it goes. And I want to shred this up and get it where it's really nice and tasty. Wipe my hands off. The bread just came up out of the toaster. Let's get this in my food processor. 3 chicken breast. Let's pulse it. Now I do want this finely chopped. This is a chicken salad that's a little bit smoother. There's not going to be chunky pieces. Normally, if you hang out with me, I am all about a nice, let's get the celery out. Celery next, don't go anywhere. I normally like the pieces to be a little bit on the chunkier side, just so that you know, like I hand did this. It didn't come from a machine. But part of the magic, I believe, for this is the fact that it is finely chopped. All right, now I'm going to throw some celery right into this same mixer. That's about 3 stalks, this food processor. 3 stalks of celery, and it goes. All right, I want to process this celery till it is finely chopped. Let's get all this celery out of here. All right, now I need to put my food processor back over and get the eggs in. You do have to have some eggs in your chicken salad. This is 3 hard-boiled eggs. In they go. Let's get the top on. Same food processor. Give them a few pulses. That looks fantastic. Take it up, get it in the bowl. I've got way more than I thought. Bring a friend, okay? Bring a friend. We're gonna need a few people in here to eat all this delicious chicken salad. Now, I'm gonna give this a stir. All right, now I wanna go in with a little bit of sweet pickle relish. And I like a lot of that, so I'm just gonna put all that in. That's about, 2 tablespoons. A little bit of salt. And it's better to go light here on the salt, because remember I did salt the chicken breast when I cooked those. I baked those in the oven at 375 for about 25 minutes. But check the internal temperature on your chicken. You want to make sure that you follow. I'm going to use all that pepper. Get in that pepper. You want to make sure that you follow the government recommendations on proper chicken cooking, because you don't want undercooked chicken. Believe me, you just don't want it. It's not any good and it's dangerous. So check the temperature when you cook your chicken. Now remember, this is basically gonna be up to you on the amount of ingredients, because I'm looking at this thinking the mayonnaise is gonna bring it all together. The mayonnaise will marry these flavors. And in it goes. Mayonnaise, get in here. About 2.5 tablespoons. But I often mayonnaise my bread So you can do more mayonnaise. Looks delicious, and this reminds me of exactly what I used to get at that chain fast food restaurant. You know, it was very firm. It stayed in my bread just really well. And you can pop this in the refrigerator. Make this ahead. Make this early. And bring this out and make some great little sandwiches when your friends come over. I feel like this would make a good tea sandwich. All right, I've cleaned up my workstation. I've made sure my toast was nice and crispy. And I do like a little bit of extra mayo on my bread. So I'm gonna go in and put a little extra mayo on there. I mean, that's how I like it. You fix it how you like it. So I'm popping this. This is toasted whole grain. A little bit of extra on that. And I've put some pickles out in case you want a little bit of an extra crunch, a little bit of extra flavor, salt and pepper. Let's put this on. A big dollop. Yes, don't be stingy. Don't be stingy with the chicken salad. You know you want some of this. You know, if you don't want the bread, you could do a nice cracker with this. Finger licking good, so good. All right, now, this smells so good. It looks good. Come on in, get close with me. Let's give this a cut. Let's give it a taste. Oh my gosh. I'm Southern. I'm going to heap a little extra on this. Don't come for me. This is so good. So good. A little bit of pickle. You can put some lettuce on this. Make it fancy. I like mine just on this bread with a little extra mayonnaise. Give this recipe a try. Call your mama. Call your friends. Do I have mayonnaise and chicken salad all over me? Probably. Call your friends. Let them have this recipe. It's so good. Maybe they remember that really phenomenal chicken salad they get at the restaurant. Fine-tune this to make it work for you. I love it just like I showed it to you. Check out the description below for that full recipe. I'm Ransom Ryder. Come and join me, hang out with me in the kitchen. You and I, we'll go on an adventure. We'll discover recipes. We'll find out what you like the best, what I like the best. It's gonna be fun. Bye. I'm gonna eat more of this. Bye. Mmm.